let's talk about something that's probably crossed your mind more than once. You've heard stories of people making thousands of dollars a week from stocks, and you're sitting there thinking, is that really possible? I get it. When I first started, I asked myself the same question. Now, I'm making $17,000 per week from the stock market, and let me tell you, it's not magic, and it's definitely not luck. It's strategy. And today, I'm going to share how you, even as a beginner, can start on this journey and see real results. First, let's get something straight. There's no get-rich-quick scheme here. If you think you'll start investing today and hit $17,000 by the end of the week, you're in the wrong place. The truth is, successful investing takes time and smart decisions. But that's the beauty of it. It's the consistent, small steps that eventually snowball into big results. When I started, I wasn't making nearly this amount. I didn't have a magic formula. I started small, learned along the way, and built on each win. You can do the same. The first step is educating yourself about the stock market. Don't let the jargon scare you off. Terms like dividends, index funds, and price-to-earnings ratio might sound intimidating. But once you break them down, there's simple concepts that help you make better decisions. I spent countless hours reading, watching videos, and learning from people who had already succeeded. But here's the key. You don't have to know everything right away. You just need to start. And the best way to do that is to invest in something simple and stable. I'm talking about index funds. Index funds are a beginner's best friend. They allow you to own a small piece of a lot of different companies without having to pick individual stocks. This lowers your risk and gives you a foundation to grow from. When I first started, I put my money into a broad market index fund that tracked the S&P 500, meaning I was investing in the top 500 companies in the US. This strategy allowed me to get a feel for the market without the wild swings of individual stocks. But let me tell you, the real game changer came when I learned about compounding. Every dollar I invested started earning more dollars, and those dollars started earning as well. Over time, the money you make from investments can grow exponentially. This is how the stock market works in your favor, but only if you stay consistent and patient. Now, here's where things start to get interesting. As I grew more comfortable with the market, I began experimenting with individual stocks. This is where the potential for making $17,000 per week came into play. But don't get ahead of yourself. Start with companies you know and believe in. Don't invest in the latest trend or some hot stock tip you heard at a party. Do your research. I've made most of my money investing in companies with strong financials and long-term growth potential, like tech giants and innovative health companies. Patience is key. You won't see massive returns overnight, but the more you invest, the more you learn, and the better your chances of making significant gains. The stock market has its ups and downs, but those who stay the course often come out on top. And that's what I want you to understand. This isn't about trying to time the market or hit the jackpot with some risky move. It's about steady, consistent growth. Now, before you click off this video, let me hit you with one final thought. Everything I've shared with you comes from years of experience, but the only way to truly understand investing is to get started. So, take that first step. Open an investment account, put in a small amount, and begin your journey. Trust me, the earlier you start, the better off you'll be. And hey, if this video helped you see how attainable it is to make real money from investing, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what your first investment is going to be, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive even deeper into strategies that can transform your financial future.